Alright, man, we on the way to Las Vegas, boy.
We're going to Las Vegas, guys.
Las Vegas.
My second home.
Your second home. Alright, let's hurry up and get up here. Now we're here. That was a tough haul right there.
Oh,
Where you at, boy?
Las Vegas.
Yeah, Las Vegas. You at the Las Vegas airport. Walking in, carrying your bag.
And we're about to go to our house.
About to go to our house. You're looking like a professional. We just got here to the airport in Las Vegas. Me and Kylan with TYLan's Traveling Adventures. We're making it over to the area where we get into our rental car and head on to the spot. All right, so the Uber driver's already over here and ready to come pick us up. So now we got to make it to the area where they're looking for us. Wow, it's a land of fun.
And now, it's a lot of fun here, and we're going to Cali tomorrow. So it's going to be a fun time. So guys, we're going to get something to eat from In-N-Out first.
Okay.
Because I'm hungry.
All right, now we walk into our car. We got the most unusual looking car you can have. A green Sprite car. Kylan, where you at, son? Oh man, this car real easy to notice right here.
You can see it from the Google.
Yeah. What made you want to get a Sprite car? What's going on with that?
Got some beer. Hey guys, we're going to the In-N-Out first.
Well, we're not going to go to the In-N-Out just yet because we have to go get our car. We're in the Uber right now, so we got to go get our car first, and then we can go to the In-N-Out, okay? But I promise I'm going to take you there, all right? Although I don't like In-N-Out's food, I'll still take you. So I'm coming here because I have we have a house here, and I live here half of the year when I can. Normally I can't be here too much because I got to get back home and get my son all the time, but this time he able to come with me.
Is there a hurricane?
Yeah, so back home where we're at, it's a hurricane going on right now, so this is a much better place to be at.
Florida or something?
No, we're in Charlotte, but all of the wind from, we're only like, 7-8 hours from there, so it's going down over there right now.
Run, Bubba.
Exactly. Ooh, look at it. Boy, this thing is dirty. I gotta get this thing cleaned off. She don't be wanting you to see all this, man. She don't want you to be able to ride in the car and have a good time with your daddy with the top down, with your hair blowing in the wind, man.
But it's actually blue.
Yeah. I'll be like, Mama, what's up? Why you be acting like that? So now we in Vegas. We just hanging out, Tylan and Kylan. We not playing video games right now. Him kicking my butt on that soccer game. We doing some stuff that I know how to do, and that's just ride around and have a good time. But as you can see, we got we just left from where it was a hurricane at, and now we driving with the top drop.
That's why we actually came here, so we don't be in the hurricane.
Yeah, so we can leave from the hurricane. So we live in Charlotte, North Carolina, and
we also live here too.
in Las Vegas. We got a second home here. Yes, we do. But so in Las Vegas, it's nice and sunny. And in Charlotte, it was raining and wind blowing and all kind of stuff going on. So for today, this is the much better place to be at. But it is pretty hot here. Like, I know y'all can see it on my face. It's 100 degrees right now.
I remember that he used to be here almost every day, just coming here on
And now you can come by yourself, or you can come when you want to, man. This house, you know who house is gonna be one day? Your house. That's why I do all this stuff, man. Right now, we are about to go get some Raising Cane's. I like Raising Cane's a lot. That's one of the places. One of the places I come to all the time when I'm here in Vegas. They do not currently have a Raising Cane's in Charlotte. They do have one right outside in South Carolina, but why ride all the way to South Carolina to go get some food? But right now, since we're here and we so close, that's the first thing that we're about to go do. We're about to go get us some chicken from Raising Cane's.
Oh, and make sure you like and subscribe and comment, okay?
Well, it's so different. Raising Cane's is like, it's like Zaxby's. Zaxby's where we from? This Raising Cane's is kind of like the same thing as Zaxby's. Man, I'm gonna get the one with like 4 chicken tenders and fries.
We're gonna get like a little sandwich with some chicken tenders.
So you want the sandwich one?
Yeah, with like the bread and the sauce.
Yes. Can I have one sandwich combo, a lemonade?
With a lemonade. Anything else for you today?
Yeah, I want some sauce.
Yes, I have a box combo.
A box.
Yes, ketchup and hot sauce will be fine.
Okay, 25 last drive-through window. Thank you.
All right, thank you. Man, this was the same price that Starbucks charged us this morning for way less food. I may pull the top up for real though.
No wonder.
Appreciate it, bro.
No wonder their food is so good. They probably just work hard on it. Oh dang. That was cool.
Gasolina. You hear how back in the back? Hey, hey, yeah! Here we go. Let me in the back. Hey, hey, hey! 1 time, 2 times, 3 times, no time.
We're doing this, guys.
We're doing this, man. So this is Kylan's first time being at the Las Vegas house in about 3 years. Come on, go out.
Let's got this view, guys. Come on, come with me, come with me. This is our view of Las Vegas, Nevada.
Yeah, that is towards the mountains. That's the mountain view. Come on, let's go.
Let's go.
Now we heading over to the room, and we are about to be lit. All right, little man, at the home away from home. You enjoying yourself?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, yeah, man. We here. We back here at the Palms, hanging out, home away from home.